And what would a Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals show be without a bunch of AAR Cudas? Here we have 4 fine examples. These cars were 1970 only. The AARs have a different hood than the Challenger TA, which is their color. You can notice a difference in the color of the 2 green cars. All these cars were 340 cubic inches with triple carburation and exhaust that exited before the rear wheels. Intended for Trans Am style racing. This one is an automatic, buckets, console. Sometimes you see some of the hoods that were poorly made with a big bulge across the fender. Not this car, but you do see it on this car. Again, mass production. Another side exit exhaust. Let's see if I can get a look in the window here. This one's an automatic on the column. Don't see that too often. You can see the blackout treatment continues across the top of the fender, across the door, and it should touch up into the quarter panel, and certainly does. And one of the coolest side graphics going. And they get thinner and thinner right down to the AAR Cuda here in the back of the car. Here's another one. This one's under a cover, so we're not going to get a lot of high detail here, but we do have a little sandwich board. Nice representation of the car. High impact color, lemon twist yellow. Numbers matching. 346 pack, warranty issued 727. Premium leather interior. It's one of 11 with the overhead console and the only one in yellow. So a pretty rare car. Let's see if we get these 2 cars. You can see the difference in color of the greens. And let's take a peek and see what this one has on the inside. This one is buckets, console, 4-speed, pistol grip shifter. See their functional hoods. See the air cleaner poking through right here. These cars also had 3-speed wipers. Believe it or not, the 3-speed wiper, the body of it was smaller and placed differently, if you want to call it that, than the 2-speed, and the 3-speed was utilized to give clearance to the big air cleaner. Now this car's cousin is over here,